The National Testing Agency will soon release the application form for the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test, commonly known as NEET, for 2022. To successfully register for the undergraduate medical exam, students must fill the NEET application form without any error. In order to assist candidates in NEET registration, Careers 360 has prepared a small video tutorial describing the step-by-step process of filling out the NEET application form 2022. To begin with, students should visit the official website of NTA NEET 2022, which is neet.nta.nic.in. To register for NEET 2022, aspirants will need to click the new registration link available under the current event section. On the next screen, they'll see all of the necessary instructions. After reading the instructions, students will need to click the declaration box and proceed. In the first step, to fill the NEET 2022 application form, candidates have to enter their personal details, category, PWD status and details, nationality, state of eligibility for 15% All India quota, identity type, valid mobile number, email ID and other asked details. They must note that the email ID and mobile number that they enter now will be used by the authorities to communicate any information required. Also, no change will be allowed in gender, category, nationality, state of eligibility and PWD status once they have submitted the form. After filling all the columns with the correct details, candidate will need to enter the security PIN and then have to click on Preview and Next. All the details entered by the candidates will now reflect on the screen. Afterwards, students need to verify the details and click on Next. In the following screen, they will be asked to create a password, add a security question and provide an answer. After entering the details, candidate will receive an OTP via their registered mobile number and email address. They need to enter the OTP and click on Submit. A provisional NEET application will then appear on the screen. This number will also be sent to the registered email address and mobile number. As a next step, candidates need to log in with their NEET application number and password that was created when registering for the test. Candidates should now fill out the remaining personal details in the column provided. Some of these details will automatically be filled in based on the registration. After entering all the asked details, candidates need to select at least 4 NEET exam cities as per the priority order and then click on Next. In the next step, candidates have to enter their academic qualifications such as class 12 and 10 details. Students then have to enter their permanent address in the provided columns. While filling the NEET application form 2022, the dress code section will ask whether a student plans to wear a traditional dress. Answer yes or no depending on your intention. Candidates will now have to enter the security PIN and click on the Preview and Submit button. On the screen, a message will appear for the review page. Candidates need to verify the details and then click on the Final Submit button. Once the details in the NEET application form is filled, candidates have to upload the scanned documents such as passport size photograph, class 10 passing certificate, left hand thumb impression and signature. Candidates need to make sure to upload the documents as per the specification. Afterward, candidates will be redirected to a payment page where they need to choose the payment method. As soon as the students make the payment, they will be asked to take a printout of the confirmation page. After submitting the details, a confirmation page will indicate that the application has been submitted successfully. Candidates are advised to take at least 3 or 4 copies of the confirmation page. It is recommended that candidates fill the NEET application form 2022 carefully. However, the NTA will open a correction window if any detail is incorrect. Please let us know about any queries you may have in the comment section.